Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to use a discount code or gift card on Zara. First of all, open the Zara application and log into your account. In order to add gift cards or discount cards, first of all tap on the human icon at the bottom right corner from the home page. After you do that, go ahead and click on Payment Methods. Under Payment Methods, click on Payment Cards. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Add a new payment card. On the next page, select Gift Card. Enter the data on your gift card or your discount card and type it down in the first field. You'll need to type in the card number and the CVV code in the text box. Finally, click on Add. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the discount code or the gift card on your Zara account. Just make sure that your code is correct and it hasn't expired and is valid for the items that you are buying. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.